Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program without a website. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure it's this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is just head over to Google and type in Amazon affiliate. Now the first link you should see will be this one, and you just want to go ahead and click on it. Now it's important to note whatever country you have in the top right corner here will be the country that you are allowed to sell to. So since mine's at UK at the moment, that will mean I'm only able to use UK Amazon products to affiliate. So if you wanted access to a wider range of products, I would recommend switching over to the United States, because you'll have a wider range of products with that and you'll probably have more success overall. So you can go down here to read a bit about it. As you can see, you can earn up to 12% in commission income, which is pretty good. And considering Amazon is such a big trusted company, people won't be scared of clicking on your affiliate links because they know that it's Amazon. So when you're ready to sign up, you can just click this yellow sign up button here and you'll be taken to this page here. So here's where you actually want to enter a bit of account information. Here will be your name and then your address and your phone number. You want to make sure all this information is correct. And if the main contact here is you want to make sure this one is ticked. However, if the main contact for this account is someone else, you will have to click this button here and then enter in their information. And then you might have to answer this question too. For US tax purposes, are you a US person? And since I'm not, I'm going to click no. And then we can go ahead and click next. Now from here, you'll see the same details that we just looked at, but you will have to confirm it. And you may be missing a section like I am here. So you just want to fill in all of these details and make sure they're correct. And then when you're happy with all these details, you can go ahead and click next. So once you click next, you'll be taken to this section here. And here's where we actually have to input our website. But since we're trying to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program without a website, what we're actually going to do is create a YouTube channel. So as you can see, you can make a little channel like this where you just review the top 5 phones or gadgets, stuff like that. As you can see, this was posted 3 weeks ago and had 35,000 views, which is pretty good. So if we head over to this video right here, the top 5 best gaming phones of 2023. If we scroll down a bit, as you can see, all of these links are Amazon. So this is exactly what this guy's doing. He's basically promoting these links through a YouTube channel rather than a website by reviewing them and making a short video on it. Let's just say this channel was mine. What I could do is I could just copy this link here. And we can head back into Amazon and we can just paste that in here and then we can click add. And as you can see, that's now been added. So once you click next, go to this page and here you want to just put in your preferred associate's ID. So I'm just going to put James, but you can put whatever you like and this will be included in your Amazon link. So just put something related to the name of your YouTube channel. And then in here we can put something like I create videos where I can review products. So you can say something like that, where you say I create videos where I can review products and promote the Amazon links. So next up, you want to choose which best describes your content. So this will depend on what you actually do, but I'm just going to put other for this one. And next up, how did you hear about us? I heard about it through an online search, so I'll do that. And then you just want to enter in this captcha to prove you're not a robot. And then we can click this tick button here and click finish. So as you can see, I've now applied to the Amazon Associates Program. I did sign up for the UK Amazon because I haven't actually signed up for this one yet. I had already signed up for the USA one. So for this one, it says, once you generate 3 qualified sales, our team will review the website or social accounts associated with your application to ensure that you are in compliance with the Amazon Associate Program agreement. So from here, we can just go ahead and click later here. So once we click on later, we'll be brought to this page here. And this is actually the hub where you can get the links. And what you want to do from here is just go to tools and just click on SiteStripe. And then you just want to click this button here to learn more. And then you want to go down to the bottom where it says, how do I turn SiteStripe on or off? And you just want to click this link and then click on this Associate SiteStripe options. And then you want to just make sure this is enabled. And what this will actually mean is we can head over to the UK part of Amazon. So .co.uk for me, because I just signed up on the UK one. And then from here, this bar will appear at the top, and we can actually just generate links. So I can click text there. And as you can see, I've now got a link that I can just copy, and then we can paste that into our YouTube channel description. And if we wanted to promote this product, we could do that. So that's exactly how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program without a website. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.